first it was the phone, and then the phone kind of died away because nobody uses their phone anymore. Then it was the email, then it was texting. Now it's the chat. Now people want a quick question and quick response. When you evolve, if like I freak out if my team of I got 100 people on staff, let's say maybe 20 are selling something, education or services, whatever. And if they don't respond in 3 to 5 minutes, I freak out. I just freak out. I want 3 to 5 seconds, but I realize that's not practical because they're on the phone or talking to somebody else. And so my mind goes, if I can't get back to them in 3 to 5 minutes, what can I create? What can I use for bots and artificial intelligence to kind of look like I'm replying to them, like Amazon does the customer service thing? But yeah, you guys have jobs, you're working, you're doing things. You can't do that, right? So you got to do what Erica said. You got to get the email and then you contact them later on when you're available. But as you grow and evolve, you'll have that full-time person who's there, boom, 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 being totally responsive. And as you guys know, when you're shopping different things out there, the people that are really responsive to you usually get the business, providing they're good at what they do and have a good experience. I mean, that to me, it's all about response time. If somebody takes, if somebody doesn't pick up the phone, I'm not going to call them again. If they take an hour to get back to me, that's just me. I don't know how you guys are, but we live in that kind of boom, boom, boom world. I find I don't know.